Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cherise. So guys, I am moving and I wanted to do like some moving vlogs. So I actually have some footage of the apartments that I toured. This was from probably like 3 weeks ago. I'm going to show you guys all the apartments that I did tour, and I want you to tell me which one was your favorite out of all the apartments, and then I'm going to reveal which one I actually chose. FYI, some of them weren't available, so I was a little disappointed, but I really liked the one that I did choose. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into it.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear